In this video, I am going to share with you my experience of getting free Helium hotspot starting from application to the installation. Besides, you will also learn how to get your own free hotspot and earn some bonus HNT as well. Hey folks, this is Roy and welcome back to my channel HNT. So how did this start? It started from an advertisement in Facebook saying that become a part of the People's Network and you can earn money with zero investment by becoming a host. After checking their website, I learned that they are willing to send me a free Helium hotspot if I am interested in hosting it. This means that I don't have to spend any money, even the shipment fee. They will send the hotspot to my address for free and all I need to do is to provide it a shelter, some electricity to run and a good internet connection. In terms of electricity, it's not a major power sucker. It consumes about 5 watt of power, which is equivalent to an LED lamp. Of course, in the beginning I was skeptical, but I decided to give it a try because first of all, I don't have to spend any money, and second, they did not ask for any sensitive information like credit card. It was 8th of March 2021 and the name of the company is Noble IoT. This is where the story began. If you want to get your free hotspot too, use the link given in the description or go to your browser and type nobleiot.com/signup. Then fill out the application form with all the details, and towards the bottom of the page, how did you hear about Noble? Select the option YouTube, and for the referral code, use my channel's name HNT to support this channel. But please note that you might not always get approved for the free Helium hotspot. To learn details about it, check my other video whose link will appear here. Alright, let's now proceed to my story. So I applied on 8th March and after a few hours I got an email from them which said that thank you so much for your application. We are currently working on sorting through the applications to see who will be the best fit. Basically, this means that they are trying to figure out which is the best location for their Helium hotspots so that it can earn maximum HNT. After 10 days, on March 18th, I got another email from them saying that congratulations, we have decided to extend an official offer to you to join Noble's hosting community and become a part of the largest, fastest growing IoT network. If you wish to accept the offer, please respond to this email with the following items. First, basically I had to say I accept their offer. Second, they asked me to verify the address at which I want to place the hotspot. And third option is the reward, whether I like to have 20% of the HNT earned by the hotspot or if I want to have a flat $40 per month. I decided to go for the HNT option because I was interested in getting into the crypto. Then there was a long waiting period. After about 3 weeks, I sent them an email asking about the update. Then on 12th April, they sent me an email with the subject hotspot delivery, and I was very excited. It said that we apologize for the limited communication as they have experienced multiple delays due to various issues. However, a batch of hotspots was arriving that week, and upon receival they would get one shipped to me as soon as possible. But before that, they needed some information. Basically, they needed the wallet address of my Helium account. If you are not sure how to create one, check out my other video. The link of that will appear here. And from point 2, it was clear that they were going to send me a rack miner, and on top of that, the interesting thing is that they were willing to send me 3 HNT as a bonus if I set up the hotspot within 1 day of delivery. And it was a cool thing because I could get free 3 HNT bonus just for setting it up quickly. After replying to that email, 2 days later on April 14th, I got an email from them with a confirmation of the shipment. So I was very excited because finally I was getting my hotspot And in that email they again reminded me about the 3 HNT bonus. They indeed were very keen to send it as soon as possible. As you can see, they used UPS second day air delivery option, and it was shipped 14th of April, and it was actually delivered the next day. After receiving the package, I was extremely delighted and made an unboxing video of the rack Helium hotspot. You can check it out here. Then I powered it up, connected to the internet, and placed on my window, as you can see in this picture. Actually, it took several hours for my hotspot to become online on the Helium Explorer map. After that, I sent Noble IoT an email saying that my hotspot is online and whether they can send me my HNT bonus. And indeed, they sent me 3 HNT very quickly, and that 3 HNT are now available in my wallet, as you can see here. The next step was the syncing of the hotspot before it could mine any HNT. Even though on the website says a new hotspot can take 24 to 48 hours to completely sync up with the blockchain, in my case it was very slow. In another video, I'll share my experience of my hotspot syncing and tell you what are the steps that you could perform to speed it up versus what are the things that might not help. Eventually, my hotspot took 5 days to completely sync up and started earning HNT. To conclude, I am very happy with the support provided by Noble IoT, and if you are also planning to apply to them for a free hotspot, I'll be grateful if you use the referral code IGENTECH, my channel's name, to support this channel. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, guys, and get cryptonized.